morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to another vlog for Lovemas. So today is going to be a continuation off of last week. For me, it's only been about 12 hours, but yeah, so the thing is that yesterday, the vlog that I put up for Sunday, I put a lot more on my plate than I could for one vlog. So we are continuing the treat boxes today. If you guys haven't seen that video already, I'll put it up here in the iCard and also in the description box if you guys want to see the first part of this vlog of making treat boxes. In that one, I kind of explained what I'm doing here, but in that one, I did sugar cookies. You see all my cookies back there, and a potato soup recipe. I shared with you guys my grandpa's sugar cookie recipe, which is very near and dear to my heart. So if you guys are interested in that, oh, hello dogs. Welcome to the party. The neighbor dog barks a lot, by the way. So today, we are going to be finishing up making my treat boxes for all of my friends. I make these every year, and we already did the sugar cookies, but we have a lot more to do. But it's not gonna be, this isn't gonna be like a teaching video. Like my last one is like a recipe, like more like a teaching video on how to do the recipe. This one is just a vlog of what I'm doing, basically. I'm gonna be making cake pops, Oreo fudge, I think brownies, peanut butter cookies with like the kiss on top, monster cookies. I think I'm doing all these. I know I'm definitely doing the Oreo fudge, the cake pops. Like those two are definitely being done, and the peanut butter cookies. Okay, we're gonna do cake pops first. And I already made the cake right here. So I just need to like crunch it, not crunch it. Cake isn't crunchy. I just need to like crumble it up and then add some icing. And then we'll be rolling them up into balls, putting them on the stick, and dipping them in some chocolate. All right, just wash my hands. Let's do this.
Mistletoe hanging everywhere.
So here's what I want to do. Okay, I have my iPad. This is not an iPad. This is a very, very old Samsung Galaxy Tab. It's so old, but it's still working. Look, I use this for like recipes and stuff when I'm cooking in the kitchen. And this is my Pinterest board. And I'm gonna be doing some of these different like fun cake. I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do the snowman, like for sure. That is adorable. That's freaking cute. I'm gonna do the snowman, and then I want to do some Christmas trees and then some ornaments. So I'm going to do some circle cake balls, some like triangular tree shaped ones, and then these snowman ones. So we need to do like a bigger circle and a smaller circle. I'm so excited for this. This is gonna be so fun. So I'm gonna roll all those up with the cake that we have, and I hope I have enough, because I'm like thinking now that this is not gonna make that many. But we will see. I'm gonna roll all those up, and I will be back once I get that done. Alrighty guys, I got all of them all rolled up. I did trees, snowmen. I did some squares too at the top there, so for some gifts, ornaments, and yeah, they're ready to go. To start this thing, I just melted some chocolate. I used this baking bar because my store was out of white chocolate chips. So I'm using that. I just heated it up in this tiny little coffee cup, and I'm stirring it around. We gotta work quick here because I'm gonna start putting the sticks into the cake pops.
I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane.
Oh my god. I just stuck my fingers in the chocolate because I thought I had a stick in my hand. That's what happens when you try to move too fast.
But now I got my eye set on you. Oh, I'm not gonna play it safe.
All right, time to pop these in the fridge for a while, and then we will dip them. I think while these are cooling down, we're gonna move on to some more cookies. More cookies.
Somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show.
Okay guys, I'm almost done baking the monster cookies. Finishing up here. I'll show you guys. Those just came out of the oven. Those are finished. And then we have, this is the last batch that's going in. And then I have one more in right now. That monster cookie recipe actually makes like 4 dozen cookies. I don't know why I don't remember it making that many before. Sorry, my tripod's like totally crooked. I figured while the oven's on, I might as well just do the other peanut butter cookies really quick. That way I can get all the peanut butter stuff out of the way in case anyone has allergies. I only know one person that I'm making a box for has peanut allergies. I don't think anyone else does, but I want to like do all the peanut butter stuff first to get that out of the way. Yeah. So I'm just gonna use this like Betty Crocker cheap peanut butter pre-mixed cookie thing because it's super easy and they come out pretty good. I made it before using this, so it's really easy. You just need a little bit of oil, a little bit of water, and an egg. Mix it up. 375 in the oven. Once they're done in the oven, I literally just place the Hershey Kiss right on top of the cookie so they kind of melt on there a little bit, you know? And those are those. Those are super easy. So I'm gonna whip these up real quick. By the way, if you ever make these peanut butter cookies with the little Hershey Kiss, make sure you unwrap these before you put them in the oven because they have to be like, you have to pop them on as soon as they come out of the oven and they cook fast. So alrighty, finally last batch of cookies is in the oven. And I'm gonna start prepping for the cake pops. So I'm going to take my food coloring, my gel food coloring. This is the Mary Color. I got it on Amazon. Actually got like a whole box of them. I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to put them into a warm bowl of water. And I know this seems very strange. I was reading online in order to color the white chocolate for the cake pops, so I could do like a green tree and red Christmas bulbs, you're not supposed to use water-based food coloring to color chocolate because it can mess the chocolate up. I don't think you're technically supposed to use gel either, but I saw a few people say that it kind of works, and I tested it a little bit with the leftover chocolate that I had when I put the sticks in, and it worked okay. It worked fine, it seemed fine, but I am going to make sure that it's warm so that when the chocolate is warm, it's the same temperature and it doesn't try and mess the chocolate up at all. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and warm the chocolate up so we can start dipping. I think I'm just gonna use a cup, this glass cup, fill it with chocolate, pop it in the microwave. I think it'll just be easier to microwave it. I could do it stovetop, but I feel like I always burn it when I do it like that. Like, stovetop is hard, so hard. And I don't really have like a double boiler. Okay, time for the microwave. Oh my God, I forgot to put a timer on these cookies. Oh no, I did. They're just really only cooked already. What the heck? I feel like they got brown so fast. I gotta put the chocolates on them. Oh my God, the microwave's done. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm doing too many things at once. What am I doing? The chocolate. It's fine. Everything's fine. Look at all of them. They look so good. And there's a bunch over here too. There's so many cookies. I'm going cookie crazy. Don't mind my messy counter, okay? It's a lot. It's a lot. My chocolate is at the perfect consistency, so I gotta move fast. I gotta move so fast. Okay, we're gonna do the snowman first. The snowman, because it's white. Oh my God. Cute. There's a lot of chocolate. Stay. Stay. My dog thought I was talking to her. Okay. Staying now. No! Wow, I'm doing so good. I don't like how much chocolate's on the bottom. Hi. Stay. Oh my God, look at them. They look so cute. No! Stay. Oh my God, my little snowman, my snowman, my snowman. I'm gonna put some of the presents, I think I'm gonna make them white. I'm gonna try to use this now. You're supposed to be able to just pop the tray in the microwave. Let's just see what happens, I guess. This is weird, I've never done this. Whatever the directions said, they were definitely wrong. I had to keep doing it like for like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, like until it finally is close to being done. That's fine. I have a little bit of chunks still in here, but I think they're gonna melt down if I just keep stirring it. Let's try to do the color. Let's do red first. That was a lot. It's definitely like not as smooth as it was. I'm just gonna go for it. It's not bad. Not bad. Oh, this one definitely just got loose from the stick. Ah, crap. Works, but it doesn't work great. Cause it's definitely, you can tell that there's like some kind of weird consistency. It's definitely thick. Thick girl, oh my gosh. It keeps falling off the stick. What am I gonna do about my Christmas trees? They have to be green. I do have green sprinkles. I'm just gonna put it all in there. I don't think I did it fast enough. The candy like already kind of got hard. But it looks like a Christmas tree, I guess. Maybe I should just do them all like that, because I don't want to ruin this. And this is all the chocolate I have, and I can't find any more. The freaking store is sold out of the white chocolate chips, which would have been so perfect. But this is what we have. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna dip them in white. Wow, that got so messy. But we're here. This one doesn't look the greatest, but you know, all the other ones are cute. Also, here's the stupid looking red one. I've decided I'm gonna spray it with this edible gold glitter and see if it like sticks on there. Okay, I'm like trying to decide, do I want to do that to the rest of them? I also have this. Let's see what this looks like. Pretty. Ooh. Maybe I'll put that one on the two white ones. Ooh, shiny. That looks cool. I gotta put this thing somewhere else. There's so many green sprinkles everywhere. At least I know I got the Christmas trees and I have the snowman still. Those are gonna look cute. I think I'm just gonna decorate them and then show you guys in the end because this is getting very long. It's gonna take me so long to edit this. But while we're here, let's try the stupid one. Or should I try this one? Because this one's actually stupider. Which one's worse? They're both bad. This one's probably worse though. Okay, let's try this one. It's good. It kind of fell off the stick, but look how thick the chocolate got. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of sugar. I've already had so much sugar today too, so I'm like, my mouth has just been sugar all day long. That's probably a big part of it, but they're really good. So I'm super excited about that. Oh my God, the Oreo fudge. Oh my God, the Oreo fudge. I'm just gonna throw a quick montage of everything in here. This video is getting so long. So we're just gonna get a quick little montage in here of everything. We'll come back, we'll show everything, and then we'll put the tree boxes together finally.
Oh, yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas.
Alrighty guys, so I'm finally finished with everything. And I'm gonna show you guys everything all done. And then we're gonna put all the boxes together and that will be everything. This is taking me way longer than I anticipated. Also, I mean, that's just how my life goes when I do stuff like this. Okay, so we have the monster cookies here, and then we have the peanut butter cookies with the kiss on top. Here is the Oreo fudge, which I still have to cut up. And then here's the brownies. They're still kind of cooling down, but basically, that's all they look. It's a little anticlimactic. I thought it was gonna have the face and stuff more, but you can like barely see the little imprint. It's fine, it's fine. Then we have all of the adorable cake pops. They came out so good. And all of the sugar cookies. All right, let's get all of this packed up.
And as I walk outside, the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas.
Alrighty, you guys, I am all done with the boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to give these to everyone. I'm also really excited to be done because that took a long time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying Lovemas. Tune back in tomorrow for another video. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.